12 weeks in and I'm finally feeling like me again. After that rough patch last week, I'm back in ketosis, my energy's solid, and everything feels calmer, lighter, and more balanced. And now that I'm here, time to ask the big question, what's next? The last week has been a genuine reset. I've been fully back into keto, done a couple of longer fasts, not out of punishment, but because they felt easy and they felt natural. That little bit of inflammation from week 11 is gone, and my head's clear, my body's lighter, and my motivation's most definitely back. And it's amazing how quickly your body forgives you when you stop the junk, hydrate properly, and feed it clean food again. Energy very much back, sleep deep and consistent, exercise up. I've been walking, done a little bit of rebounding, done little strength sessions, and actually wanting to move again. My moods felt more steady, more grounded, no wild hormone dips over the last week. My digestion's good, my clothes fit more comfortably. Mentally, I'm feeling like I've closed the loop on that messy middle. 12 weeks in, this reset finally feels like my new normal. This is what a good week feels like. Calm, energy, no drama, just steady consistency. And now that I've hit 12 weeks, I've been thinking a lot about what comes next. Strict keto has worked. It's given me structure, it's given me results, but it's also been a bit monotonous. I've realised that long term I want sustainability, not restriction. So over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to review, maybe tweak things, possibly building in a cheat evening once a week. Not an all-out binge, just a relaxed, mindful meal that lets me live life and keeps this way of eating enjoyable. No alcohol, no full derailment, just flexibility. And because this isn't just a diet anymore, it's a lifestyle that I actually want to keep. The strict rules helped me heal, but freedom will help me maintain. Physiologically, giving yourself an occasional higher carb meal can reset leptin and thyroid hormones, both of which dip when you're in long-term calorie or carb deficit. And it's not cheating, it's metabolic maintenance. Emotionally, it also prevents that sense of deprivation that can lead to the kind of crash that I had in week 11. If one flexible meal keeps the rest of my week clean and calm, it's a smart trade-off. And the aim isn't to be perfect, it's to build something I'll still be doing in a year's time. So here's where I'm heading next. Keep keto as my foundation, maintaining fasting around 12 to 14 hours with a longer fast maybe once a week. Adding one flexible evening a week, mindful, not mindless. Keeping the exercise consistent and enjoyable. Just again, staying alcohol free. Once in 12 weeks. I'm not missing any more frequency than that. And this feels sustainable now, not a reset anymore. It's more like a rhythm. 12 weeks done, 16 pounds down, stronger, clearer, calmer. This process has shown me that growth isn't about intensity, it's about awareness. And if you're at that point where discipline's starting to feel like a drag, remember, sustainability beats speed every single time. This is Michelle. Real balance, real life, real progress. And if this resonates, hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments what kind of flexibility works for you.